Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture, a vice screw. And this part is a drawing here, and this part is a vice screw, and how to this body is designed here. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and at first one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and you can see here on the screen, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is, you can see here on the screen, is a right view. Then right plane is select here is better, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension is inches, is a very important. Okay, and drawing this body. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is drawing here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, is very important. And all parts is one by one, and all process is learn here. This body is designed, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first going to this part, and the part is a select here this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this is a unit is setting here is inch pound second. Okay, IPS, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, and okay, select this is a right plane is a select here, and this cutout is circle is this, and this is a top view is top plane is select here. Okay, and all geometry value is you can see here, this is a full length is 6.25 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a thread cutout is a 29-degree angle, and 0.08 and 0.06. Okay, one by one all point is a learn here. Okay, a drawing a select a plane is a right plane. Select a line. A line is a drawing a sketch a geometry, or drawing a part. Then all one by one is value here. Well, this value is a define here. Okay, and select this. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a drawing here this. Okay, select here. Okay, and drawing this body, and this is a connect to this to this. Okay, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a this, and okay, and this value is a okay, and this is a this. Okay, and at first select a full distance is a drawing here this, a full is a 6.25 inch. 6.25 inch is perfect. Okay, this is a full, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.81 inch. Okay, this length is a 0. Okay, 38 inch. 38 inch is a this. Okay, and some is a drag here this. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing some drag here this is a drag this. Okay, and again this is a dimension is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a dimension is a 0.25 inch, and also this is a length is a 0.25 inch. Okay, all is better. And but very important relation, select this line and press a control button and select this line, and this line is a going to this is a collinear, is perfect relation, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this line is some drag here. Okay, and again select this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, and again this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.19 inch, is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a this, and again this distance is a 3.94 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.34 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and select this is a 0.38 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch, and this is distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 3.94 inch, and this is a use this 0.19, this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 0.13 inch, and all is a this, and this profile is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 0.34 inch. All is perfect. Okay, all value is mentioned here one by one. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay guys, all point is all dimension is perfect drawing here, and all is fully defined, means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this okay, revolve boss base is apply here, and this base is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to material is select here, and material is a nickel, and going to this appearance, and this is a metal, and going to this nickel, and this is a perfect. Okay, and thread is apply here, and select this face sketch, select upper line and convert entities. Okay, and going to this curve, and this is a helix and a spiral. Okay, and helix and a spiral is a perfect, and going to this is a height and pitch is select here. Okay, and constant pitch is perfect, and height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch, and direction is reverse because direction is this, and reverse direction is better, and start angle is 90 degree and clockwise. All is perfect and okay. Okay, and this is a path is a drawing here, and profile is a going to this right plane sketch normal. Okay, and profile is drawing here, and select this profile is a drawing here. This is a some line is a okay, this is a this line is a horizontal. Okay, a center line is a select here, this midpoint to this, and this is a vertical. Okay, and drawing a some angle is this is a 29 degree. Okay, and this profile length is a 0.08, and height is this is a height is a 0.06 inch. okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and angle is this, and this profile is a perfect because this is a profile is drawing here. This angle is 29 degree and 0.08 inch and 0.06 inch is this. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this, okay, exit, and going to this sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a profile is select here, and path is just select this. Okay, this is a select this body, and okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and going to this, click here. Okay, and this thread is a cutout is perfect. Okay, some little time is a counting here, and okay, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect cutout, and this line is a hide. Okay, Control Z is okay, and this line is select here, and this hide. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a cutout is a select here this. This cutout is a use a top plane, and this is a the fillet is 0.6, and this use a circle is cutout. Okay, select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Okay, drawing a center line is this. Okay, okay, vertical line is automatic select here, draw a center. Okay, this diameter is a 0.34 inch, and this length is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.34 inch, and this distance is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and okay, this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut, and this is a through all both side is cutting here, and okay, okay. Some little time is spent here, some little time is because all is counting this. Okay, this body is drawing this body. Okay, and use a fillet. A fillet is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this fillet is a 0.06 inch, and this is a select here this and this. Okay, and some little time is spent here because all thread is a cutting here, all process is learn here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a sweep is a layer, and some color, and color is a this is better. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking perfect, and this is a color, and going to this, and okay, 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 all is perfect and correct is drawing here, and all is perfect, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, all point is learn here one by one, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a spindle design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and all dimension is perfect and correct. Okay, and all 2D drafting is also available here. This body is designed, and this is a spindle, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is a this all parts is a assemble here, and this project is completed here. And this project is a stop wall project, and how to this body is designed. And also this is a cosmetic thread, and this length is 25 millimeter, and size is 20 millimeter, and ISO standard. Okay, this thread is also this thread, and this cosmetic thread is also, and height is 120 millimeter, and pitch is 6 millimeter, and counter clockwise. Okay, and this is 0 degree. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today learn here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. Okay, this is a thread is used, and this thread is a counterclockwise. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner student. Okay, this is a chamfer is also used here, and this cutout is also perfect. Okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and going to this part and use this plain white, and going to this option and document properties. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first drawing this right plane, because right plane is better, all dimension is showing here. Okay, and this length is 190 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 11 millimeter, and this hole is a diameter is 4 millimeter, and this is a 9 millimeter, and this chamfer is used here a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle. Okay, and this is a center line is reference line, and drawing this radius is 14 millimeter and 17 millimeter this and also 14 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and 120 this use a real thread is 120 millimeter is this and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, and this 9 millimeter is this and 90 millimeter is this, and upper side is 31 millimeter and 26 millimeter is last, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and 12 millimeter is a okay and perfect, and also this is a use a thread. This is a 25 millimeter is this. Okay, and size is M12. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this cutout is 25 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, at first select a right plane, sketch reference line is drawing here easily. A line is this, connect to this. Okay, a line is this. Select a line and drawing a okay, drawing this reference geometry, and this geometry is a perfect. Drawing this. Okay, and use a okay, this is perfect, and again drawing this and select this and use this line. and all one by one is all dimension is this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a 32 millimeter is perfect. 32 millimeter is better because this is a big line, and one by one is all is perfect. And also this is a select this 14 millimeter, and this line is a 190 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and drag here this okay, this is a 14 millimeter is a perfect. And okay, and also okay, also connect here this okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select this 17 millimeter, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. Okay, and also connect to this line. Okay, and also this to connect to this and going to this line, and this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a user of this line and connect to this okay, and also this is a this line is connect here, and this use this and use this connect to this, and last is a connect to this. Okay, and this use this is a 17. Okay, correct, and this use this is a 14 perfect, and this is a 20. Okay, and use this is a 12. Okay, and this use a 20, and this use a 9 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20, and then this use a 31 millimeter is perfect, and also this use a 12 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is perfect and correct this. Okay, all is better, and going to this okay, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a bigger size, then use a 1 by 1 is this, and also is perfect drawing here. Okay, and all point is use here, and this okay, this use 1 by 1 is this 11 millimeter, and 32 millimeter is 19 millimeter, and this use 90 millimeter, and 31 millimeter, and 26 millimeter, and this use 20 millimeter and 12 millimeter. Okay, and 14 millimeter and 17 and 14. Okay, all is drawing here easily, and 9 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to this revolve boss base and click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this face is a sketch here normal. okay, and use this and this use a center rectangle, and this is a perfect, and this is a 20 millimeter, and also this is a 20 millimeter, this is a 25 millimeter, and also this is a 25 millimeter is correct and perfect, and extrude cut is also better. And going to this offset from surface, okay, and this is a 3 millimeter, and offset is this, okay, and flip side to cut is better, and okay, click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect and correct, and also use a right plane, a hole is created here, and okay, and drawing a circle, and circle is correct, okay, and this diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this distance is a 9 millimeter is perfect. This is a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is a vertical line, okay, all point is perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cutout, this is a hole is created here, a 9 millimeter is this, and 4 millimeter is diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a mid plane, and use a, going to this, and this is a 39 millimeter is this, because this is a 39 millimeter is this, and okay, okay, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, both side is this first, and this use a, click a second, and okay, click OK, both side is perfect, and cosmetic thread is also perfect, because at first going to this option and document properties and detailing, and cosmetic thread is check here, because this is perfect, this showing here, and use a cosmetic thread, again select insert annotation, and going to cosmetic thread, and use this, because this is checking check here, then this is showing here, and uncheck, this is not showing here, okay, and this face is select here, and a standard is ISO, and use a size is a 24 millimeter, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect, okay, all is perfect and correct. Next is a use this real thread, and select this face, sketch this, select this edge, and use a convert entities, okay, and this is perfect and correct, and use this going to helix and spiral, and helix and spiral is a height and pitch is a select here, this is a height and pitch, and use a height is 120 millimeter, and pitch is 6 millimeter, and the degree is 0 degree, and counterclockwise, okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and okay, and use a right plane sketch normal, okay, and draw a corner rectangle, and drawing a corner rectangle is this, and this is a both like select here and equal, and dimension is used here, a 3 millimeter is perfect, all is correct, and select this point and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a use a pierce, okay, and exit, and use a sweep cut, sweep cut is select automatic selector this profile and select this path. Okay, all is perfect and correct and click OK. And this line is a hide and all is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and material is selected and going to this metal, and this use a copper is this. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct, and isometric view and also perfect. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.